Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you block all incoming calls on iPhone. To block all incoming calls on iPhone, the most effective method is to use do not disturb or DND feature. So for that, you simply want to swipe down from the top and then you have these focus, right? So click on the focus option. It will then ask you to go ahead and enable this option. So click on do not disturb. Underneath, you could go ahead and select the reason as well, or select some criteria, and then you've successfully enabled do not disturb. And this is one way of doing it. So likewise, the other thing you could also do is customize the focus settings. So open up your settings. As you go to focus, then you have these options available. You could go ahead and enable this, and by activating do not disturb and ensuring that no contacts are allowed to bypass it, you could effectively block all incoming calls. So this is how you'll be able to block all incoming calls. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.